Brian Smith is a photographer well known for portrait photography, but also journalism photography, which is something I don't do, which is fine, but I find his images very interesting because he lets the celebrities that are here kind of play in the camera, like be themselves, like act like themselves. And I think it's kind of interesting because you get to see them more who they actually are than what they are playing. Um, you get to see them well known as for them and not for their actors and not for their characters. Um, because I know that a couple of these actresses and actors actually play certain characters when they are in movies and stuff. Like he is in a good TV show and he is an actual like strict person, but he's on the fence for stuff. Um, I don't know who these people are, but um, she plays in a TV show that my family watches all the time. That they're police officers and stuff like that, and it's really strict to a lot of things. You know, Kim Kardashian is really like about her body, but it shows an elegant side to her. Everybody.